Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchiladas red sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 dried chilies. A mix of guajillo and ancho works wonderfully for a rich, deep flavor. Don't forget a few cloves of garlic, half an onion, and some chicken broth. These simple components are the foundation for a truly delicious homemade sauce. Now, let's prepare those dried chilies. Begin by removing the stems and as many seeds as possible. This helps reduce bitterness. Next, lightly toast the chilies in a dry skillet over medium heat for about 30 seconds per side. This step really brings out their aroma. Finally, place the toasted chilies in a bowl and cover them with hot water, letting them soak for 20 to 30 minutes until they are nice and soft. With your chilies softened, it's time to blend. Transfer the chilies to a blender, adding the garlic, onion, and about 1/4 cup of the soaking liquid or fresh chicken broth per chili. Blend until completely smooth. Then, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a saucepan to remove any remaining solids. Simmer this beautiful sauce over low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen. To finish, season your red enchilada sauce with salt, pepper, and a pinch of ground cumin to taste. If the sauce is too thick for your liking, simply whisk in a little more chicken broth until it reaches your desired consistency. This rich, flavorful sauce is now ready for your favorite enchiladas. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade enchiladas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.